Explore the world with the new product of EAZYRC. Let's broaden our horizon. Arizona. Under the dome, there is nowhere we cannot reach. Ride the wind, cliff the waves. Its strong off-road climbing performance is not restricted by the side. Great design provides an excellent off-road performance. It has all-wheel drive and four-wheels independent suspension. It integrates with electronic speed control, direction control, and receiving function. Full proportional steering and full-function LED light offer you excellent control experience. The tough all-season rubber tires easily conquer all terrains and grip the earth strongly. Its 2.4G remote control system suffices a stable signal. Whether it is sand, mud, stone, grass, snow, or even rugged mountain roads, it runs freely. No way is impossible for courage. Our wheels are always turning.